Hi guys, welcome to my coffee show, and today we will be doing an unboxing of my new 1Zpresso K Max I just received today. So that's supposed to be a higher end hand grinder. On the website where I bought it, and I bought it from Sigma Coffee. By the way, very good website if you for hand grinders. They offer really good prices. On the website, it's stated that this one is for pour over, French press, and AeroPress. Interestingly, the other grinders from K series, they also offer grinding for an espresso. So I have no idea yet why this one is advertised only for pour over, French press, and AeroPress. Supposedly, I haven't checked, but it's supposedly it has the same bar set, 48 millimeters stainless steel heptagonal bar set that allows regulations up to 22 microns, which is exactly the same as the other K series grinders. So again, I have no idea why this one is advertised not for espresso. I will have a look. I will open the box. There should be a manual inside, so maybe I will have more answers. The box is substantial, it's heavy. The grinder itself is about 700 grams, so much heavier than my hand grinder, Timemore hand grinder that you possibly have seen on the other videos. So let's open and let's have a look what's inside. So that's the beautiful box. It's as you can see, 1Zpresso manual coffee grinder K Max. Hand coffee grinder. The simpler the better. Very nice box, I have to say. It feels premium. I will take a knife and let's start. So I think that's the best way to do it. Just take off. Possibly there was a better way to do it, but that's it. So, very nice, good quality box. That's what you would expect for the price. We open it here. And what's inside? Oh wow! So it comes in that nice carrying case. Yes, I will be taking it for my trips. It's much heavier than my Timemore hand grinder, but let's hope it's much better as well. What's else in the box? There is a card with a code here, so possibly that's where I can find more details about this particular coffee grinder. So let's put this aside. Now, hard case will be protecting my grinder when I travel. Okay, and voila. Okay, so the wooden handle feels light. This one, well, it looks like glass, but it is actually a good quality plastic, I think. So far so good. Let's put it aside here. What else we've got here? A brush. It's very soft on this end. And a hard brush on the other end. So there is also inside, there is also a rubber band, probably to grip it better, to put it around the grinder to grip it better, and nice blower to help with the cleaning. And the grinder itself. That's a heavy beast. That's a heavy beast. So as you can see, about 19 centimeters long, 58 millimeters wide. Adjustments, they look very similar to X series. Nice grip. 1Zpresso on the side. This is some kind of rubber, so allows you a proper grip. The entire thing is made out of a high grade aluminium and stainless steel. As far as I can see, no plastic parts inside. Now this end is held by magnets. And it's a really good big container. Well, obviously you can pack up to 35 grams of coffee, and it holds once in a position, so that you have to, sometimes you need to rotate slightly, and then once in a position it holds really well. So there is a red dot here, so that's how you make adjustments. You probably need the handle on. You put it on, rotates really nice, and then you make those adjustments. So that's the great thing about this grinder. You don't have to do like lots of grinders on the inside. The adjustments are actually on the outside, clearly visible. I will obviously do the video with when we do the grinding, when we compare it with my Timemore C2. For today I just wanted to show you. I just got it, I just received it, so it's a brand new. Okay, there is a nice rubber at this end as well, so that improves the stability. So maybe you could even grind, but it holds really well. So guys, tell me what you think. For me, it looks amazing. It feels heavy, it feels premium. The bearings are nice, everything moves smoothly. It is a beast, it is a huge hand grinder, but with that nice carrying case, it should still be okay for my travels. We will see how good it grinds in the next videos, and we will compare it with Timemore C2. Hopefully I will find an answer to the question, can this be used for the espresso as well? And we will see how the quality of pour over. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Jack, this is my coffee show. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more, please click like, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much.